Dear friends, on this beautiful autumn day, we are happy to congratulate UNESCO on the 70th anniversary. Our UNESCO Club develops understanding and support for UNESCO and its programs.
We respect the founding principles of UNESCO and we wish UNESCO to contribute peace and security in the world by promoting collaboration among nations through education, science and culture. We are glad to present you the most ancient poetic heritage of our Bashko people, the epic poem Ural Batır, because this year is devoted to literature in Russia. Nowadays, Ural is the name of the mountain range in the Republic of Bashkortostan, and Batır means a hero, a brave man. This poem is the most famous of Bashko, which, like many other similar epics, the Anglo-Saxon Beowulf, the German Song of the Nibelungs, the Mesopotamian Gilgamesh, or the Finnish Karelian Kalevala, tells about the heroic deeds and legendary creatures. The main idea of the epic is about the nation's eternal life. The poem narrates about the heroic deeds of Ural Batır and his younger brother Shulgan. Ural has all the features of a legendary hero, such as courage, honesty, empathy, and great physical strength. Ural meets various people and legendary creatures on his way, riding his winged Stelanak Budat, white grey horse. He saves young men and women prepared for sacrifice by the Shahkatil from death, chases a wild bull, destroys a great number of evil forces, marries the legendary Humai, and finally defeats the chief dev Azraka. Ural Batır dies in his final struggle against the devs, but he finds Yanchinchpa, spring of life, and gives immortality to the nature. The bird Humai is the symbol of beauty and justice. After Ural's death, Humai becomes a white swan. Winged horse Akbuzat is a famous character in epic legends and fairy tales of Turkic peoples. After Ural's death, people suffered from lack of water. Therefore, sons of Ural formed the rivers. This motif is presented in the 7th verse of the Quran. The epic Ural Batır is a national monumental poetic heritage. Now it is the biggest and best known epic not only in Bashkortostan but in Russia. The poem, originally existing only in the oral form of a song, was set in the written form by the Bashko folk poet Muhammad Shah Burangulov in 1910. The first full translation of Ural Batır epic into the English language was made in 1999. Traditional Republican contest of young narrators and storytellers of the epic story of Ural Batır in the languages of the Russian Federation and foreign languages is organized by the Committee of the Republic of Bashkortostan for UNESCO. We are glad that in 2013 a new English language translation was done by David and Anastasia Andresen and published in the United States under the title Ural the Brave. To preserve the epic Ural Batır, we suggest some recommendations: to publish coloring book with the heroes of the epic for preschool children, to shoot films and cartoons for children, to set a monument in the shape of a book surrounded by the characters of the epic Ural Batır, to establish a park with the characters of Ural Batır like Dina Park in Ufa, to invent the online game Ural Batır, give the name of Ural Batır to the avenues and streets in Bashkortostan. We are proud of the Bashko epic Ural Batır. Ural Batır will be forever the heritage of the Bashko people. Thank you, UNESCO, for preserving national cultural heritage. Thank you. Dur Rahmet.